A reverse transfer in the Dave app usually happens when the sending bank rejects the transaction after it was initially accepted, which sends the money back instead of completing the deposit. By the end, you'll know exactly why transfers get reversed, what the reversal status actually means, and what to do next inside the Dave so you can stop the same issue from happening again. The most common reason is a failed bank verification check. If the sending bank or receiving account cannot fully verify routing details or ownership, the transfer is automatically reversed to protect both sides. This means the money never fully completes the journey into your account. Another cause is insufficient funds on the sender's side after the transfer is initiated. If the sender's account balance changes before the transaction fully clears, the bank can cancel and reverse the payment. That creates a situation where the transfer looks successful at first, but gets pulled back later. Security flags can also trigger reversals. If the system detects unusual transfer behavior, new device activity, or mismatched account details, it may block completion and send the funds back to the original source. This is a protection measure to prevent unauthorized transactions. Incorrect account or routing information is another major factor. Even small mismatches in account numbers can cause the bank to reject the transfer mid-process, which results in an automatic reversal instead of a correction. To fix it, start by checking your transaction history inside the Dave app and confirm the transfer is marked as reversed, not pending. A reverse status means the money has already been sent back to the original bank and cannot be recovered from the app side. Next, contact the sender's bank or payment source and ask for the exact reason the transfer was reversed. They can usually identify whether it was a verification failure, insufficient funds, or incorrect account details. Then, double-check your linked bank information inside the app. Make sure routing and account numbers match exactly, and that your bank connection is still active and verified. If the issue keeps happening, avoid repeating the same transfer immediately. Multiple failed attempts can trigger additional security flags and increase the chance of future reversals. In cases where reversals continue, switching to a different transfer method or relinking your bank account often resolves the underlying verification issue. To sum it up, transfer reversals usually come from bank verification failures, insufficient sender funds, security flags, or incorrect account details. The fastest fix is confirming reversal status, checking sender-side issues, and verifying your bank connection inside the app. The next step is to contact the sending bank to identify the exact rejection reason, so you can prevent the same reversal from happening again. Like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of banking transfer issues that usually look confusing but follow clear system rules once you know where to check.